Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chilled Relax Plant content where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. And we try to learn the best way to grow our plants so they grow the way we want them to grow. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today, I encountered a moron in the wild. Yeah. Ugh. It was one of those morons that like build themselves a pedestal and stand on it and then just look around to try to I don't know, dictate how other people should live their lives and stuff. And yeah, they're just, if if you are not sure if you are a moron in the wild, I'll give you a little scenario. So if you are somewhere, say it's a gas station, right? And it's peaceful, people are just pumping their gas, and all of a sudden you look around and you get this feeling like, no, we have to say something to somebody. Like there's too much happiness, too much just peacefulness, not even happiness, it could just be peacefulness. I have to say something to somebody. You are a moron in the wild, and get some therapy or something, because really, keep your shit to you, okay? Anyway, for all the people who aren't morons in the wild, I very much appreciate you. I love it when I can just go to a gas station and pump my gas and not be approached by a moron. And for all of the people who don't approach people at the gas station, you are the MVP. You are the people that I would love to have in my life. Just, in the world, not really in my life, just living our lives simultaneously in our own little bubbles, not bothering other people. Anyway, quick rant. So what I like to do when I encounter these scenarios that rile me up and get me a little annoyed, I usually will come home and I'll do some plant stuff. So I've had this huge Skindapsis silver splash for a while now, and it was actually longer. I actually just trimmed it, gave it a haircut so that I could kind of see better. And also when I do repot it into this really pretty planter, it's orange with a purple tinge to the top. It kind of looks like a pumpkin, and I don't know, I liked it. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to be repotting this guy, and probably also my large Monstera Sultapicana. So I figured we could do this together, because why not? Alright, I need to, how should we do this? Alright, I'm just going to pull her out of her pot. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. So, look at the roots on that. This is crazy. This is crazy. And it looks like it's in a woody mixture, not really soil. So I think what I'm going to do, because I tend to be an underwaterer, is I'm going to knock out as much of it as I can, put a little bit of soil in the pot, and then just repot it like that. But I've never had a plant that was this root bound. Wow. Wow. Alright, so I guess I will rearrange you so that you can see me trying to get some of this chunkiness out of it, and then we will proceed to the repotting. Alrighty. Alright guys, so we're going to be staring into my garbage for a little bit, just until I can get as much of this stuff, of this barky mixture out of here, as much as I can. And pulling apart the roots, it looks like most of the roots are just on the outside of the plant, not so much on the inside. So that's interesting. These really are a lot of roots. I don't know if the pot, I don't want to pot it bigger than 6 inches. We might just cut some roots off, guys. I know people are going to be screaming, why? But I need it to fit in the pot, and it's just too much. It is too much. Just took off like a good inch and a half of roots at the bottom, and we still have all these roots, so the plant will be fine. We're just trying to loosen her up so that we can, yeah, wow, the roots came all the way up to the top too. This guy definitely needs to be repotted. I wonder how long the nursery had it. Like, this is like serious. This feels like a mother plant, you know, that they just decided they were going to stop cutting. And that was it. Okay. I think I got enough of it, or as much as I can get out of it out. Let's see how much room. I mean, I could put a little bit of soil on the bottom and then a little bit of soil up top and just kind of keep it like that. I did take a whole bunch of cuttings so I can restart. Just the only thing is I don't have like more pots to divide this, and it's winter now, so I can't like even just separate it and like send it to some Planty friends because it's gonna die in the weather, in the cold. So yeah. Alright, I guess I'm going to put some dirt in this bottom part and figure it out from there. Alright. Okay, guys. It's potted up in the planter. That was a lot more work than I anticipated. There are so many roots. I hope I got them all in the pots. I hope I got some soil around all of them. And yeah, come springtime, who wants some Scindapsus Silvery Splash, because I'm gonna have a lot. I'm definitely gonna have to like divide this probably in the spring, or at least in the summertime. And yeah, so you know, if you would like some of this plant, let me know. Okay, next is the Monstera. Oh, let me put this down. Yeah, we did that. You know, I knew it was going to happen too, because it kept bumping me. So while we're here, this is my Hoya Bertonii, who keep bumping me. She's putting out a whole bunch of flowers. We got multiple peduncles. We got a really cute sun-stressed piece right here, or light-stressed, because it's not getting sun. It's from my grow lights. But yeah, so we're gonna rearrange you so you stop bumping into me. Okay, there you go. You lost your tag. Oh, you found your tag. Can I reach it though? Hoya Bertonii. And you just stay there. I'm making a bigger mess for me to clean, man. Okay. Next is this larger Hoya, not Hoya, Monstera siltepecana. And yeah, I just want to see what she looks like. This plant does like grow leaves and drop leaves and grow leaves and drops leaves. So it's interesting. It's an interesting plant. It's like an every other plant. Like, it'll put out a leaf, drop a leaf, put out a leaf, keep a leaf. And it's kind of like what it's been doing. So maybe it's the soil it's in. Maybe this is also root bound. We're going to find out. And repot her. Okay. Alright, we are back over the garbage because we try not to make messes here. Or we try to minimize the messes we make. Take off this hook. Please come off. You can throw you out. I don't plan on hanging you up again or using this pot. Flip her on over, pull her out, and look at those roots. So I don't really see a lot on the side. This is also like a not soil mix. It's kind of like a peaty mix, which is interesting. But oh, we got roots. We're gonna lose some roots, I think. So we got those roots, which is a good amount of roots. We just don't have a lot on the side. So I think what's happening is when I water, the roots that are up here are kind of getting too much water. When there's all this root down here that doesn't get all of the water, isn't absorbing it all. So the plant's kind of freaking out. So we're just going to get rid of this, switch out as much soil as we can, put my soil in, and call it a day. And hopefully I don't see any mesh pots, which is always good. And hopefully the plant will continue to live and not die. If the plant does take a nosedive and starts dying, I'll just cut it up and propagate it and start over. That's the best part about plants, is you can always start over. Okay, so that is good enough for me. And now I have to get the pot and some dirt. Alright, maybe we will change the angle. Alright, hold on. Alright guys, so this is the pot I'm going to be planting it in. Look how cute that is. It's a blue ceramic pot with flowers on it. Okay, how should we do this? I don't know. Alright. Give it a good amount. Nice. I hope you can see here. We're just putting the plant in the pot. You guys are planty people, you know what that's like. And now, dig her down a little bit. And backfill. Alright. So I've heard this is a finicky plant. I've only had it for a month, maybe a month and a half, and so far it's okay. I have lost a couple of leaves. Like I said, it's like every other leaf it wants to drop, and I have lost a couple at the base. So have you guys also experienced this leaf droppage? Is it just me? Have you guys had experience repotting this plant? Am I going to regret repotting this plant? Let me know in the comments below. And let me know why, or what I can do to help this plant be its best planty self. Okay, that was it. That was a lot easier than the Syndapsus. Well, this is what we got. Look how cute. Looks good. Alright, alright. Alright, there's a lot of angle changes today, guys, just to repot 2 plants. Anyway, I think that's all I'm going to do. I feel more calm than I did before. I just really like how this turned out. Like, look at how cute. It looks good. Alright. The Syndapsus also looks good, but that's a springtime project of dividing and sending out to planty friends, but whatever. Yeah. Look how cute this is. Look at the leaves, like, this really is like a very nice plant. It grows relatively well. If you can get it, go get it. Anyway, yeah, I feel better. Yeah, planting and doing planty stuff is what helps relax me when things irk me in the universe. So, yeah. Let me know if you guys also feel the same way. When you have a stressful day, crazy day, do you just pop on YouTube videos and do some planty chores? Do you do them on your own? And yeah, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.